First question for you, Sarah. Is it hard working with your husband design-wise?
Oh, such a good question to start the morning design commute. Is it hard working with my husband design-wise? Okay, a long time ago, I might have said yes, but here's a great thing about practice, and that is that at this point in time, Alex and I have got to a point where we know what's important to us, and most importantly, we try and let the other person get what they want as well. And I've said this for a long time with clients, you really have to remember that you have a partner in this design journey. The agenda is to make sure everybody's happy at the end. And sometimes that means making concessions. That means sometimes letting your partner get what they want and not fighting out every single last detail. Here's a little way that I like to look at it. I like the room to be catered to whoever really embodies that spirit of that room and who will use it the most. So for example, when it comes to the kitchen, I do most of the cooking in the kitchen. So I think the kitchen should relate more to my tastes and preferences and how I want it to work, but I still listen to what Alex has to say. And when it comes to things like the media room or the den or the spaces that are really his rooms, I listen to him. He's in charge. The other thing is, I'm more about the inside. I'm the Department of Interiors, and he's the Minister of Exteriors. So it generally works out.